ready?
Apple. Apple. I eat an apple every day. Banana. Banana. She likes to eat a banana for breakfast. Bread. Bread. He bought a loaf of bread from the bakery. Cheese. Cheese. Would you like some cheese on your sandwich? Chicken. Chicken. He is grilling chicken for dinner. Milk. Milk. Milk is good for your bones. Rice. Rice. We eat rice with almost every meal. Salad. Salad. She made a fresh salad for lunch. Soup. Soup. He enjoys a hot bowl of soup on cold days. Tomato. Tomato. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins. Apple. Banana. Bread. Cheese. Chicken. Milk. Rice. Salad. Soup. Tomato.
You did it! Congratulations! See you later!